Right, hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a video of ringtones on the Siemens Openstage 15 HFA. Now, this phone is the same phone as Seb's. Hello, Seb.
Hello there. Hello.
Right, it's the same as Seb's Openstage 15, but his is a SIP one. This is a HFA, but this is now SIP. It was converted from HFA to SIP. Not ship, SIP.
Yeah.
Right, I need to kind of remember how to do this. There we are. Right, hold on. Right, here we are. Right, so this is ringtone 1. Right, let me just get to the... Here we are. Right, so this is number 1. That's number 1. Hold on. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And then that's that. So let me just save it as 6. Because that's what I want, 6. Then these are the melodies. This one reminds me of a song. I think it's the one after this. This one is the goat of patterns. No, of ringers. This one's an amazing one. I love this ringer.
Yes, real.
This is the goat of ringer.
Yes.
Then that's that. So if I come off that now, that is the ringtones.